Welcome to Maria O Vlogs. The sunset is free indeed here. We're at Liberty Station. I don't know if you can. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Wow, look at all those. It's like guns or...
Notice they're pointing at the Pacific Ocean.
Right.
When the Japanese would come over, well, they never did, but they were waiting for them.
You'll be the tour guide, Mahal. Tour guide.
My tour, here's Dewey. My tour today is a public bathroom.
You're the tour guide.
Yeah, this is not Philippines. Pui. Bathrooms right here. Dude, you said they were looking around.
That's the bathroom right there, Mahal. On the other side. Okay. Oh, that's near. Yay.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's some good shade right there.
Nice. Yeah.
Man, you could run around here.
Hotel 943, traffic 2.5 mile final, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, this is the nice.
Almost 1882, number tower, traffic holding in position, runway 27, clear to land.
Go to dive.
Juliet, number tower, traffic 8 mile final, Boeing 737, runway 27, line of flight.
Those that I've seen on the Google Maps, those chairs. Yeah.
972, turn left Bravo.
I'm heading for that bench right there.
Oh yeah.
Good day.
Yeah.
Let's get a picture of that American.
Oh, there's the one paddle.
Skywest 918, Juliet, runway 27, clear for takeoff.
Nice. Oh, there's a squirrel, Mahal. Cool. Okay. It's low tide. Nice. Beach park. Yeah. It's low tide. Pero. Wow. Galing. Low tide siya. Galing. Airport. American Airlines. So
receive on runway traffic on Dahil.
There is something down there. Watch out.
Oh, see? Did you see that? See? See? It's right there. Oh, right there. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, there's the squirrels. Oh my gosh. They're here. Oh, and there's a plane. Southwest. Oh, hello. Ang dami nila. Nandito sila. Ang dami nila. Ito palang maraming squirrels ay kumakain. Oh, yun pa. Ito pala sila. Yun yung beach. Ayun o. Cute. Ay, pasok ka na. Bago. Yun na yun. Yun na yun. Yun na yun. Ay! Ay! Ano siya na? Oh, may banana plane. Nagulong siya sa buhangin. Natural habitat. Hello. Ganda din ng halaman. Ayun lang siya. Sura natin. Aray ko. Alin. Low tide. Low tide. Tingnan natin yung mga halaman. Yung mga wildflowers. Ganda pala dito. It's my bench. Kahit dito lang. Dito ka lang. Dito ka lang umupo. Dito. Yan o. Tapos tingnan mo yung mga airplano. Ganda.
Received 056 Denver Tower, please descend to Bravo airspace, maintain your car out of the low cost,
bless you.
altimeter 2988 is over here.
Yeah, video, people, yeah, kayak. Yeah, that's work. Yeah, that's yeah.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Another big dog.
Small delta. Another delta.
Alaska again. Yeah. Okay. I think.
She's lined up.
Oh, not this one yet.
She's lined up to go.
Yeah. What's this? Alaska again.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay, before that, there's a squirrel. You're going to take off too?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
3,
this.
2, 1. Lift off. There he is.
Yay. Japan Airlines.
The squirrel wants your peanuts.
Ahaha. I don't have peanuts. Oh, help, fella. Hello. So tiny.
Monkey 539, we're with you on 18.3, you want another three?
Okay.
Moxie 539, Monday
Okay,
tower,
well,
change my
it's
frequency,
time to go there.
124.45.
I just got a pack.
Ah, okay. Oh, picture.
United 33, 3.
Ooh, squirrels.
Wow.
Ooh, look at
They're
the.
having babies.
Yeah. Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
they're not afraid.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
They want food. No, they've been fed before.
Right. Oh,
They've
look
been
at
fed
that.
before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, nice.
We're not afraid.
Haha.
Let's breathe.
Please. So it's low tide. Yes, low tide. Oh, you want a picture? Oh, you're going down? I can go down too. Here, here.
Okay. Put your feet on the rock.
Right.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, wow. Okay. Pwede palang bumaba. Nice. Nice. Linaw. Linaw ng tubig. Linaw. should be like a tide pool here. Tide pool nga pa. Very nice. Okay, we go up.
Yeah, go ahead.
Mhm. Yeah,
Cool. I've never been back.
you're right. Orange. Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, there's a small dog. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. There's a cute dog.
Yeah.
Oh,
How you doing?
yeah. Oh, seagull.
There's a bench.
Yeah. And there's a bench. If Gabby is with us.
Gabby bench.
Hey, we now have cart.
Sorry. Well, grocery store is right there.
Nice. Oh, another bench right there, Mahal. Yeah.
That one was scary. Oh, snakes and whatever.
The squirrels. Oh, okay, we'll go here. We'll see what's in this.
That's so cool.
What happened to this? Oh,
Beautiful heron.
oh,
That's a heron.
oh my gosh. Ah, it's so beautiful.
Better be quick.
Yeah, yeah.
That is gorgeous.
Wow. Ah, oops. It's alone, right?
Huh?
Alone. The heron is alone. There.
You see these black things in the water?
Right?
Those are light towers.
Light towers.
So you can land from the runway from this way.
Mhm.
So you can land this way. We're
Ah.
gonna be right in front of the runway. Or under the runway. We're gonna be under the runway. Downtown's beautiful.
Right. These are the squirrel
It's
holes.
like Delta's pushing. And a lot of squirrels.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. We're running out of real estate.
Mhm.
Yeah. So this is the guide to get you to the runway. These black things too. That's so good.
Nice. Yeah, awesome. Wildflowers. Okay.
This is the last one.
Right.
Isn't that great?
Right.
Southwest landed. You can see all the way down there. Look, the taxiway. You can see all the way down the taxiway.
Right. In this angle.
Yeah. That's Terminal 1 way out there.
Have all these benches, pine trees, right?
This is your forest.
Yeah. Squirrel. Another one. There's a bike. Okay. Huge place.
Oh, we left before. Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
We did our boat.
Yeah. Okay.
Watch your step.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, this. Yikes.
Oh boy.
Oh, wow. Wow. Right above our head. What was that? So it's right above our head. Right. Yeah, oh.
That's funny. They didn't repair this area.
Yeah.
I wonder if it was boat. I didn't wonder what was here.
Yeah, it's like a dock. Some.
Interesting. What was here before?
Trail. It's beautiful, huh? It's scary.
What is it?
Yeah, all those.
Yeah, you just don't do this.
Nice.
Some animals, really.
Look at me, Mahal. It's beautiful. Yeah. Yep. It's beautiful.
The dog's out there. See that?
Huh?
Look, over here.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Even the dog. Oh, Mahal, I can sit here. Picture me. Oh, just tilt the camera. Or just be there
We
like
have
that.
this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
And like that. And just
Right here.
and then picture the white one.
Oh, the video? Are we on?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And the picture is the white one.
Did you want to say something?
Liberty Station, where the airport is at the departure area. And this is the
Okay, look at me.
yeah,
Okay, I got a picture.
yeah, thank you.
Here you are. You might as well tell a story.
Yeah. Oh, the couple's right there. They're already there. The couple, they're already there on that side.
So that's where it goes, huh?
Yeah. I guess that's the flag, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's where we have to be.
Yep.
Unless you want that boat dock over there, that pier.
Oh, yeah. Let's
Unless
see.
you want that pier.
Right. Oh, give me that now.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
For now, I'm okay.
Wow.
Here's the parking lot.
Look how blue the water is.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that heron. That was so cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
That heron. Looking around for. There must be fish in the water. 'Cause he wouldn't be there.
Yeah, so peaceful and quiet. Oh, there's an oh, okay. Wow. It's the squirrel season.
But they certainly are related, right?
Okay.
I'm disappointed, really.
What?
Because you didn't bring your bathing suit.
Oh. It's nice. It's nice. Nice spot. Picture.
Alright, let's see who landed. Oh, what a spy job this is. I'll catch up.
Okay. Aspen will catch up. Squirrel Nation. Dami oh.
Is the battery okay?
Look, right there. Squirrel. Right there.
I'm not moving.
Yeah, right there. It's like sizing us. Uh-huh.
See, we got breakfast.
Oh yeah. The star of the shows are the squirrels. There's the United. They're still there. Wow. Another plane. Oh, Southwest. Wow. Yep. Clear. Okay, what's over there? How did they get in there? How did they get in there?
Hop over.
Hop over.
Yeah.
Yeah, what's on the other side? Ah, okay. Oh, okay. What? You've got all this. Okay. Wow. These are all the squirrels.
Well,
Okay.
you're getting your hike in.
Yeah. Sopitron. Oh,
You wonder if that's a nice restaurant.
right. So from there, we'll go here.
I wonder if this is for sale. You could go here. On this side is your garden, right here.
Right, yeah.
It's huge. Really big.
Wow.
Maybe they don't want to sell it. Wow, it's huge. That'd be it's one long house.
Right.
The bedroom's in the back. All the way down. That is a big house. Alright, let's go here.
Oh, that's a dead squirrel. Oh,
Okay,
sad.
take a right. Okay, right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very sad.
Yeah. Maybe got hit by a bike or something.
Right. Or the, yeah, very sad. This. Oh, you want that one? Okay. Yeah. Good. Another Alaska here at Liberty Station. Right there. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Yep. So, what's location 7? Another Delta. Okay, be careful, Mahal. There's a plane. Southwest. Nice. Okay, my turn. Hold the camera, huh? Oh, nice. Yeah, hold the camera. Picture me. Just tap the white.
And take. Up. Okay. All right. And take.
Oh, look.
Anchors away.
Yay. There's another one. Yeah.
Oh. Flash machine.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Get in there, hon.
With the flag. It's like
Mahal, your shoestring.
okay. It's not historic. It's more like professional. Serious.
Yeah.
Formal. That's probably a better word.
Redwood eucalyptus still. Yay. Okay, yeah. Yep. Yeah. Careful.
It's not a hole.
Redwood, it says there. Look how, yeah, how sturdy. Yeah. Have a seat. Yeah. Nice. Very nice. Rock Church. Right.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. This is the neighborhood. Okay, we go. Can we? Just let them go. Okay. Yep.
Watch it.
Wow. Like offices. Offices. Yep. Make it an office building. Foundation. Technology and Innovation Center.
We're walking downhill. I don't know. It's weird.
Nice. Look at this one. Want to
This
try?
is the office complex.
Yeah.
Just like the San Diego complex.
Mm-hmm.
There's the office complex.
Because look how beautiful this tree are.
They take care of the place.
Yep, that's the San Diego Foundation. Sitting area or waiting area.
This is nice over here.
Wow. Liberty Station, guys. Very quiet. Yeah.
That's how pretty this is.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's all green. Oh, picture me here. Like sitting.
Yeah, you should sit with the flowers.
Yeah, there's yeah. So I'll just sit here and
And take.
wow. Nice. Want to go back?
Okay.
Okay. Go
Very
back.
nice place here.
Yeah. Oh, another one. Southwest. Yeah. I thought we were going that way.
Where?
There.
Yeah, it's the same thing, right?
Ah, okay. Ah, it's the same thing. Ah, okay. Probably.
One on the other end is the same as this.
Like so.
This is really nice.
Very. Yeah, it's so quiet.
Drive down here, and we're jogging down.
Bring me, bring me.
Let you walk around.
Yeah. Okay, here's another opening.
There's another courtyard.
Yeah. Yep.
All these buildings, man. All this work.
Yeah, massive.
Built all this.
Yeah.
Go.
There's a fountain. You could go here. You could go here. Yeah, that's the way. Oops. Is there another way? Oh, okay. We'll go. Let's go to the other side. Let's see. There's a fountain. Wow. Cool. Just see it. Okay, now it's a time. See a fountain. Can actually go here. Wow. It's a restaurant. Some. Oh, look at. Okay. Drinking. Banana, banana.
Far away, right?
Yes, the banana is far away. Banana, banana. Yes, there's the fountain. Okay. Lead the way, mahal. Bye-bye. Yep.
That was there. Absolutely.
Oh, nice. So there's a salon. Nice.
A lot of restaurants.
Right. Nice. Okay. Tuna grill, Mediterranean. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. There's Mahal. Oh, flowers. Oh. Tuna grill.
Nice.
So from Luna Grill, the ultimate kebabbery.
Yeah.
Kebabbery.
Watch your step here.
Yep.
Some of this is not flat.
We are going back. So that's the Fig Tree Cafe.
It's a freighter, I think.
Oh yeah. Freighter. There's the Hawaiian fresh seafood right there. Right.
Maybe we'll come back here for a birthday or something. I mean, no, to eat. I mean, come down here to eat. What's this?
Yeah, what a yeah.
Like something big
Yeah.
time here too.
Right.
Oh, yeah, I don't know all these places. Oh, maybe they're museums or something.
So there's tender greens. Okay. A Willys Jeep. That's a Willys Jeep right there. Gray color. Yeah, plenty of parking. But where's the people? Oh, because it's Wednesday.
Yeah,
Because it's Wednesday.
it's a day off. And Wednesday.
Yeah,
Maybe the weekend's packed.
right.
Or Friday night, maybe. See? Sports club. There's a club.
Right.
There's a club. There's another one of those.
Yep.
Thanks for watching our channel, and God bless.